How to change your state on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your state on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click settings and then click account and profile and now click your profile. And then just go down and you will find this one here, state and state or province. Just click here and add anything you want, and after that all you need to do is just click save changes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.